Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in in Bundaberg. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I've got a whole stack of paints left over from a previous pour, so I thought what I might do is put some silicone OGX into them, and if it wants to come out, and do a bit of a swipe and then see what that looks like, and maybe do a ghost pour, a bit of a ghosty across the centre of it, because I think that might look rather nice. And I've got, as I said, rather a lot of colours here. Probably could have used a bigger canvas, but so I was going to start off. I'd like to tell you what colour mauve this is, but I sort of made it up myself. So there's some yellow, there's some pink. I think I'll swipe this with black. And some purple. A bit of red. Oops, a bit much there, but not to worry. And some green, I think. Maybe just some orange, just because I can. And just a tad of white. And then I'll centre swipe it with black, and I want rather, oops, it's not that much, but hey, I'm not having a good pouring day today. Look at that, what a mess. Alright, where's my cloth? I did want black in the centre anyway, so that's what I've got. Okay, here's my little cloth. And here. There you going to work. Might have to do this twice. Whilst I did say I wanted it dark, I don't know that I wanted it that dark. Using the same side. See, that's not so bad. And there you go. Now let me see what I have. Okay. No, that's all right. Okay. Oh, look at the cells. Lovely. Now I have my card, let's not lose it. Now I've got black on, so maybe some orange. And purple. And I'll start from this side. Right, actually that could have a little bit more. Okay, so I have to go up. Oh, and it's bringing the colours from underneath. That's really good. Look at that. really like it. So now I'm just going to turn him around and do him from this side now. Okay, so there a little bit, then I might just put down some of these with a bit of black. Too happy. Very pretty. Not happy with that bit. Where's some orange? Bring the orange down. And on you. Okay, so I think that looks brighter lightning. Here a bit too. Just to highlight it a bit more. This is really pretty. A bit more there. There's some of this there. Okay, so I'm going to wipe my hands off, give it a torch, and see if I get any more cell action. But that's really, really pretty. Where'd my lighter go? I just had it a second ago. There it is. Come on. I don't know where those three came from. They look like the three wise men, but they're about to go purple. Too much paint is what the problem is. Okay, scrape some of it off. Fill her up. That's good. Well, that's really, really pretty. I'm just going to put a bit here where I can see canvas. All that paint on there and I've still got a piece of canvas sticking out. Unbelievable. There you go. No, I don't. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More below this video. You'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Click the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up videos. And I think that's about it. There's a heap of other things under Show More you'll find. Links to this, that and the other. Good fun stuff, including Priscilla Betzel's Amazon. So, oh, this is really, really pretty. Lots of activity. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. So, bye for now.